Today I am 30 years old. Lessons I've learned before turning 30. I've learned that my relationship with God is paramount. My faith is paramount. And it's important for me to pursue a life of purpose passionately. And this purpose and passion comes from God's love. I've also learned that time is precious, valuable, and it is better to spend it giving love and being appreciative of everyone and everything you have. Freedoms, life, health, strength, instead of harboring hate and resentment. I'm fearful of losing the ones I love, so I endeavor daily to hold on as tight as possible to my friends and to my family while they are here. I understand that my life has the power to touch even those who I am unaware of, strangers. So in my living, I choose to inspire positive action by living positively. I learned that I can do everything and anything I set my mind to. And my biggest obstacle and competition is really me. It's up to me to create the life and the future that I want with God's guidance. So, I'll go forward with these simple life lessons as I become more self-aware, more loving, more passionate, more open to learning, more me, more like God. I'm ready to share, my God-given happiness with you. Thank you for watching. You remember, subscribe, like, share, comment your greatest life lesson below. And I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Take care until